welcome to the JMG show. Why is it all dark? Ew, hi. Hi. So, everybody. Hey. How are you? We probably look kind of really terrible, but yeah. So, what is news we have to discuss? Mary and I got some ice cream from the ice cream man today.
What kind of ice cream did you get?
We got 2 balls. Yeah, the 2-ball screwball blue raspberry thing. It was cool. Like a little snow cone thing, and at the bottom there's like soup on the bottom. Well, no, it's like a slushie. Well, no, it was frozen. It was totally frozen. We had to eat it with a wooden spoon, and it was really hard.
And then we went to Walmart.
We did.
For a rock band or something.
Yeah, we were trying to get a Rock Band 2 guitar, because I got one over there. Does anybody have it? We took it in the shop.
Oh, this one.
Can you reach it?
I don't think so.
Reach it, you can do it. Okay, I'll make sure to share to the phone. Why did we get dark again? This is annoying. This guitar here is broken. It's like, it doesn't register like half the notes. That was more. So it's really annoying. And the whammy bucket broken too. So, yeah, we're looking for a Rock Band 2 guitar. But no, we checked Craigslist.
We can talk about Starbanon.
Oh, okay, everybody, we've got to tell you about this amazing person named Starbanon. Oh, now it's right again? What in the world? Okay, I don't know what's up with this video, but anyway. So, everybody, my dad and Peter's dad, because we have the same dad. I don't know if you knew that. But, his best friend, his name's Starbanon.
Really?
Okay, it's not his best friend, but... Okay, so he hates him, but he's still named Starbanon. He's like an Indian or something. It's really funny. Then we
His last name is
Balasubramanian.
Yeah.
And then we tried to find him on MySpace. We didn't know how to spell his last name, so we asked how to spell his first name, and so we searched for Starbanon on MySpace, and there was like over 200 results. So like, I don't know, I guess there's
They all looked
people that have that
exactly the
name.
same.
And like, I'm not even kidding, every single person that had that name was exactly the same. It was scary.
Yeah.
But none of them lived in the United States, so I guess none of them were the one we were looking for. They all lived in like India and, you know, stuff like that. My hair is wet. So everybody, JB tickets go on sale.
Many different days.
Thursday is the day we're getting up. Tomorrow is Team Jonas pre-sale. But Thursday Thursday's the Stanton Family Experience pre-sale. That's what we're getting. Then Friday, there's like another pre-sale, but we're not doing that. We're not getting that pre-sale the day before. And Saturday is general sale, which is probably when they'll sell out in this week.
So we're buying 5 tickets Thursday.
Yep. One for me, and Peter.
One.
And then one for Dad, and one for Ellen. So that's 5.
I know, it's really annoying. What? Why do we need to 5?
Like the, yeah, no, the Domino's deal, 5 for 5.
I don't know. Look, this is my phone. They've seen your phone before when you said that you needed this one. Oh, yeah, I do. I tried, but it never works, and now it says the number doesn't work. So,
Like, I'll call them
everybody,
now.
we should do something interesting on the show.
My dinosaur reminds me of the YouTube video with the dinosaur. I'm there.
I don't know. We could always talk about whatever we want.
So what else do you want to talk about? What was our last poll?
I have no idea. I think this was after we never uploaded this, so no one's
Okay,
voted.
so
We never said the results.
Oh
We
yeah,
never
that was the
posted it.
Rialto one. We were at the Rialto.
Oh, do you go to the real?
Didn't we
They didn't give you. No, we
No,
never
no,
uploaded
we
it.
should just ask a new poll, but not give results from last
We'll
one.
give the results for all these polls that we've missed, like, when do you see
couple months.
Probably.
So, new poll. Are you going to JB's World Tour this time?
That is a bad poll.
We're all going. It's gonna be awesome. It's fun.
It's like it's awesome. They have a water spring.
It was, I think they might have a spinning stage. I don't know.
What is River?
Well, W at places you can see the gas.
I never saw like Nick in the last concert. There was this
I
big
know the
pillar in
poll,
front.
yeah. That was really cool. Like, I just posted all the time. I was on Kevin's side. I'm on my own. Jackson, say hi to GMP. Yeah.
Wait, how many minutes is it?
6.
6 minutes.
We need to talk about something way more interesting.
I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes with
I
you.
didn't think of
1
that.
minute and the earth begins to shake. 2 minutes and my heart begins to break. 1 minute everything just feels so new. I mean, that's just 3 minutes with you. 4 minutes and she's everything I see. 5 minutes and she's where I wanna be. Another minute, I know. I need 6 minutes with you.
My new profile is so pretty. Wait, what? No, I don't want anybody to go to it. Well, once I have videos, like I said, I don't have anything else. Ow. What? I made a video with them. Haven't you seen it? I called it the dinosaur. See it?
There's a video on the screen like behind us, so we see what we did after we
I hate it. Roar, and then I take over JMP. Roar.
our names to like
Roar.
dinosaurs.
Oh wait, hold on. We gotta put them. Remember my video when they had a dance party and started dancing to Panic at the Disco? That's what happened. Roar. Everybody, what do you want to talk about? That wasn't funny. Hey, that's mine! What are you doing?
It's SMG.
No, it's taking over Peter.
It's taking over JMS.
I've been replaced like for the 3rd time today. You're keen to get rid of me.
We're trying to make it the JMG show, but
There. Now it's the MMP show.
I wonder which one of us is controlling this frog.
Well, it's not me.
Oh. What? It wasn't me.
So everybody. No, this is the MMP show.
It should be that side.
Miley, Mary, and Peter. No, this
oh,
is
did she leave me? Okay.
Yep, Miley's no longer on the Miley and Mandy show. Now she's on the MMP show.
You mean you are?
Oh yes, that's what I meant. I meant
Oh.
Miley, that's me.
Oh, right.
So. Ow! You hurt Miley. emoji.
Put it down.
Hey, look, it's the DMP show again, but with a different D.
What was Okay, this is really bad. Can we turn it off?
How many minutes is it?
It's like 10. It's gonna be 10. Like,
Oh my god!